Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Editions, and today in this video here we have a Logitech M90 full size corded mouse to unbox. And on the packaging here we have a M90 written on the package. And talking about the pricing here, it has a price of MRP is quoted that it is 395 rupees. And this is also the world's number one leader in mice. And here's the image of the mice, how it looks. So I just cut the seal, and let's unbox this up. I already cut the seal, and here we have our mouse. So let me just take out the mouse. Just take this out. So here we have our mouse, and with the cable. And what else? Here we also have a paperwork from Logitech about the instructions to use our mouse. Okay, so here we have the paperwork from Logitech, and this is in English about the important safety about your mouse and all the stuffs. Let me just keep this in aside. First we'll come to our mouse, and here we have the mouse in this plastic cover, and here we have a Logitech mouse, and this fits to the hand. If I take a look, yes, it fits to the hand. And here you also have the cursor to pull out the, and here we also have the LED light on your mouse that indicates that the mouse is working or not. So this is a nice mouse. As you can take a look, it fits to my hand, it's easy to use. So friends, that's it for today in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye bye, see you in my next video.